Today we're gonna play Roblox with my dad. And where is he? Okay, I'll go find you. Well, I found you.
You found me?
Yeah.
Why do I have watermelons coming from my head?
That's the that's a hat I bought you.
Oh,
You didn't know how to get it.
What?
It's cool.
Where are you?
Oh yeah.
Daniel. Oh,
I'm
Daniel.
coming for you. Okay, I'll help you. One sec, guys. One sec. Okay. Okay, so
I'm
as I was saying, we're gonna play ragdoll engine, and what's my dad?
I died. How do I get back to life again?
Press the doll button.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Wait.
Is that a cannon? Interesting.
Yeah.
So,
Dad, come.
Where are you?
I'm here, behind you. I'm here, behind. Here.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
I miss you. Okay.
Okay,
so
wait. Look.
Okay. How did you do that?
I just have to double click.
Double click the engine. Okay, and then
Yeah.
again. Oh my god. Wow. That hit me hard and it flew me all across the field.
That's
a pretty big field. Is that a barbed wire? Do I get injured if I can't get in there? I'm getting injured. Oh, there we go.
There's mine, so be careful.
Mine? I think I lost the leg. No,
There's landmines. Okay.
Now I have a speed run. Where are you? Dan.
What?
Oh, Dan.
What do you want?
What's the goal of this map? This is Roblox ragdoll. Is it a gorilla? Hey, Marcello.
Dad, I want to show you something. Dad, I want to show you. Here in the spawn area. Here, I'm here.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay, here.
Hey, Dan.
Okay, come.
Okay,
I want to show something really cool. It's right here. Come.
Okay, I'm following you.
So, guys, we're going into that shop thing. I think you guys may know this thing in ragdoll engine. Okay,
I'm coming in. Oh, wow.
you can get everything you want, but the gun is fake. That gun is fake.
What is this? This is an iPhone. So how do I get it? Can I get it?
You have to touch it.
Wow, I have a phone. What can I do with my phone? Can I call emergency?
You could pretend. And there's a rubber duck. Look.
Rubber ducky. Quack quack. How do I get it? I can't get my rubber duck.
You have to touch it, Daddy.
Duck.
It sounds like a fart. Daddy, look, I have a teddy bear. I have a teddy bear. Look.
Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend?
That's really cool.
I love you.
Oh, that's so cute.
I need a hug.
It's in this aisle.
Okay, let me get a teddy bear too. I need a hug. I need some love.
Touch it, Daddy.
I'm touching it. It's not...
Wait, 1 second.
I'm not sure if I have to put this thing away.
Yeah, you have to take it out. Yes.
Oh, I have to remove one? How'd you do that?
Okay, I'll show you how. Press these 3 buttons, and then press inventory. And then drag the item you want to put.
Oh, okay.
Let's be friends.
Okay, let's be friends.
Okay, let's now play something
I love
else.
spending time with you.
I'm gonna play something else with my dad.
Is that knives?
I love you.
Okay.
No, that's what? Yeah.
Loving bears and
It's a killing
butcher
knife.
knives. This is okay, interesting.
I love you.
It's a
I love you, and then you have a machete.
It's a fake. It's a fake knife. By the way, Daddy, it's a fake knife.
Okay, what do we got here?
I love you.
Change me? What is this change
I love
me
you.
sound?
I love you. Let's be friends.
Just don't click it because it'll.
Duck Pro?
I love you.
Okay, let's play something else.
What do you want to play?
Bye, guys. See you in the next video.
Okay, bye-bye.